Experiencing frequent Spectrum internet disruptions? Let's break down how to identify the root cause and fix it. The first step is distinguishing between a widespread outage and a problem with your equipment. Outages are usually network-wide issues, like fiber cuts or cyber attacks affecting many users in your area. Equipment problems stem from your modem, router, or home wiring. If multiple devices in your home are experiencing issues at the same time, it's likely an outage. But if it's only happening on one device, it's likely an equipment issue. Confirm an outage by visiting Spectrum's outage map or using a third-party site like downdetector.com. If there's a widespread outage, there's nothing you can do except wait for Spectrum to resolve it. If it's not an outage, troubleshoot your equipment. Start by power cycling your modem and router. Unplug them for 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Check all cable connections for damage. Ensure your modem is Spectrum approved. If the issue persists, contact Spectrum for a technician visit or consider replacing outdated equipment. Spectrum even offers AI-driven tools in their app to diagnose and fix equipment faults automatically. Looking ahead, Spectrum is investing heavily in network upgrades, including DOCSIS 4.0 and fiber deployments, which should reduce outage frequency. They're also exploring mesh Wi-Fi systems and 5G integration to improve reliability and coverage. Regularly check for firmware updates for your router to keep it functioning optimally. For persistent issues, consider purchasing your own modem and router.